Don't let wealth become an idol. Instead, use it to be a voice for God. Kung pinagyayaman ka man ng Panginoon ngayon, gamitin mo yun para maging boses mo kay Lord. At Caesarea, there was a man named Cornelius, a centurion in what was known as the Italian regiment. He and all his family were devout and God-fearing. He gave generously to those in need and prayed to God regularly. About the 9th hour of the day, he saw clearly in a vision an angel of God come in and say to him, Cornelius. And he stared at him in terror and said, What is it, Lord? And he said to him, Your prayers and your gifts to the poor have ascended as a memorial offering before God. Church, hindi mo kilala kung Christian to, kung believer to. Pero ano sabi diyan? Your prayer and your gifts to the poor. So, ang naging tinig niya kay Lord, yung seeding niya, yung binibigay niya, ang naging tinig niya sa Panginoon. At isang araw, napakinggan ng Panginoon, yung tinig niya, binabaan ni Lord, binabaan siya ng anghel. Sabi niya, your prayers have been heard. Dahil saan? Because of your gifts to the poor. And have ascended as a memorial offering before God. Yung wealth mo maging idol, dapat ang wealth mo maging voice mo kay Lord.